Hello and welcome to today's presentation. My name is Nero and we are here to present our assigned topic, how nursing informatics helps to improve the quality of patient care and increase patient safety. Before we begin, I would like to introduce my esteemed colleagues who are co-presenting with me today. First, we have Grizel Gavino. Next is Leon Pearl Alajo. And lastly, we have Cheryl Lackup. Together, we will provide a comprehensive overview of how nursing informatics, helps to improve the quality of patient care and increase patient safety. Let's get started with our presentation. Before we dive deeper into the specifics, let's outline the key learning objectives for this presentation. First, we aim to understand how integrating technology and data management into nursing practice significantly improves the accuracy and efficiency of patient care. Second, we will explore how electronic health records, data analytics, and other informatics tools help reduce errors and ensure safer care practices. Third, we will discuss how informatics supports evidence based practice and facilitates better decision making processes among healthcare professionals, especially nurses. Lastly, we will take a look at real world examples of how tools in informatics are used to enhance patient monitoring, medication administration, and overall care coordination. So, by the end of this presentation, we should be able to have a comprehensive understanding of how nursing informatics not only improves the quality of patient care, but also plays a crucial role in ensuring patient safety. So, what is nursing informatics? According to the Canadian Nurses Association, nursing informatics refers to the practice and science of integrating nursing information with technology to manage and integrate health information. Also, according to them, the goal of nursing informatics is to improve the health of people and communities while reducing costs. This multidisciplinary field leverages technology to enhance the efficiency, quality, safety, and effectiveness of nursing care. For the next slides, my teammates will now focus on championing some of the features, advantages, and benefits of nursing informatics into nursing practice.
Enhanced patient record management. Nursing informatics significantly improves the management of patient records by facilitating the use of electronic health records, also known as EHR. EHRs ensures that the patient information is accurately documented, consistently updated, and readily accessible to healthcare providers. This leads to a reduction in errors associated with manual record keeping and enhances the overall efficiency of patient care. By having immediate access to comprehensive patient data, healthcare professionals can make better informed decisions, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Decentralization of patient information supports coordinated care among different healthcare providers and reduces duplication of tests and treatments, further enhancing the quality and safety of patient care. Improve communication and coordination. Nursing informatics enhances communication and coordination among healthcare providers by offering centralized data platforms that facilitate the sharing and accessing of patient information in real time. This integration reduces the risk of miscommunication and ensures that all members of the healthcare team are working in the most current and accurate patient data. Effective communication is essential for coordinated care as it helps in streamlining workflows and reducing redundancies. This collaborative approach enhances patient safety by minimizing errors and improving overall efficiency of healthcare delivery. Additionally, the use of informatic tools supports seamless transition of care, such as when patients move different care settings or providers, thereby improving continuity of care and patient outcomes. Data driven decision making. Nursing informatics enhances data driven decision making by providing healthcare professionals with access to comprehensive data analytics tools. These tools analyze large volume of patient data to identify patterns, trends, and insight that inform clinical decisions. For instance, predictive analytic can help in early identification of potential health issues, allowing for proactive interventions. Moreover, real-time data analysis supports nurses and other healthcare providers in making evidence-based decisions that improve patient outcomes. This data-driven approach ensures that decisions are not only based on the clinical expertise but also supported by robust data, leading to more precise and effective patient care. By leveraging this insight, healthcare team can tailor intervention to individual patient needs, thereby enhancing the quality and safety care provided.
Support evidence-based practice. Nursing informatics significantly supports evidence-based practice by providing nurses and other healthcare professionals with easy access to a vast array of clinical guidelines, research articles, and best practice protocols. These informatics tools enable healthcare providers to stay current with the latest medical advancement and integrate this knowledge into patient care. By utilizing evidence based resources, nurses can make well informed decisions that align with the most current and effective treatment methods. This approach enhances patient care quality by ensuring the interventions are supported by the best available evidence. Additionally, informatics systems often include decisions support tools that offer clinical recommendations based on specific data, further aiding in the applications of evidence based practices. Overall, the integration of nursing informatics into everyday practice foster a culture of continuous learning and improvement, ultimately leading to a better patient outcome. Reduction of medication errors. Nursing informatics plays a crucial role in reducing medication errors through the implementation of advanced electronic systems such as electronic medication administration records and barcoding system. These technologies ensure accurate medication dispensing by verifying patient information, medication details, and dosage before administration. The use of barcoding systems allows nurses to scan both of the patient's identification band and the medication, ensuring a match and reducing the risk of errors. Additionally, electronic medication administration record systems provide real-time updates and alert for potential drug interactions, allergies, and missed doses, further enhancing patient safety. By integrating these technologies, healthcare providers can significantly minimize the risk of adverse drug events, ensuring safer and more reliable medication administration practices. Enhanced monitoring and follow up. Nursing informatics enhances patients' monitoring and follow up care through the use of remote monitoring tools and telehealth services. These technologies allow healthcare providers to continuously track patients, vital signs, and health data from a distance, enabling timely interventions and ongoing management of chronic conditions. Remote monitoring devices can alert nurses to any significant changes in patients' condition, ensuring prompt response to potential health issues. Telehealth services provide patients with easier access to healthcare consultations and support, reducing the need for in person visits and allowing for more flexible and frequent follow up care. By integrating these technologies, nursing informatics supports continuous and proactive patient care, improving overall health outcomes and patient satisfaction.
I am tasked to discuss some of the emerging trends in nursing informatics and how these advancements significantly enhance the quality of patient care and increase patient safety. Let's dive into the first trend: mobile health applications. Mobile health applications or apps are transforming the way nurses access critical information. Nurses can now consult medical references, drug databases, and clinical guidelines right from their smartphones or tablets. Imagine a nurse on a busy hospital floor who suddenly needs to verify a drug interaction or look up the appropriate dosage for a new medication. With just a few taps, they can retrieve the most up-to-date information. This quick access supports evidence-based care and helps nurses stay current with the latest research, ensuring that they deliver the best possible treatment to patients. Moving on to our second trend, automated medication dispensing systems. These systems play a vital role in ensuring that medications are administered accurately and on time. By automating the medication dispensing process, the risk of human error is significantly reduced. Nurses can focus more on patient interaction rather than worrying about potential medication mistakes. This not only enhances patient safety but also improves the overall efficiency of healthcare operations, allowing staff to devote more time to direct patient care. Now, let's explore the third emerging trend, telehealth and telemedicine. Telehealth has opened new avenues for patient care, allowing nurses to remotely monitor patients' vital signs, provide valuable advice, and assess symptoms without the need for the patient to be physically present. It allows for timely interventions, reducing the need for unnecessary hospital visits or readmissions. Moreover, telehealth extends care to underserved areas, making healthcare more accessible for everyone. For instance, a rural patient with chronic illness can receive ongoing support and monitoring from a nurse without traveling long distances. These emerging trends in nursing informatics are not just tools, but essential components in enhancing the quality of patient care and ensuring patient safety. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect even greater improvements in healthcare delivery and patient outcomes. It's an exciting time to be in nursing, and as we embrace these innovations, we can look forward to a future where care is more efficient, effective, and equitable for all patients. How nursing informatics will play a pivotal role in my future practice as a nurse leader. Specifically, I will address how nursing informatics can improve the quality of patient care and enhance patient safety through data analytics for quality improvement and enhance patient engagement and education. As a nurse leader, it's crucial for me to leverage data and technology to make informed decisions that elevate patient care standards. Let's explore two key areas where nursing informatics will make a significant impact in my practice. First, let's talk about data analytics for quality improvement. Utilizing data analytics tools is fundamental for monitoring and analyzing patient care data. This capability allows us to identify trends, measure performance, and implement quality improvement initiatives. By aggregating and interpreting patient care data, I can uncover patterns that affect patient outcomes. For example, if I discover an increase in post-operative complications, I can analyze perioperative factors and adjust protocols to enhance safety. This proactive approach not only improves care quality but also fosters a culture of accountability within my team. Now, let's move to the second area, enhance patient engagement and education. Informatics tools, such as patient portals and mobile health applications, provide patients with access to their health information and educational resources. Imagine a patient who, after a recent surgery, accesses their patient portal. They can view lab results, medication instructions, and even educational videos that explain their recovery process. This empowerment leads to better patient engagement. When patients are informed and involved in their own care, adherence to treatment plans improves significantly. To sum up, nursing informatics is a powerful tool that I will embrace as a future nurse leader. By utilizing data analytics for quality improvement and enhancing patient engagement through informatics tools, I can significantly improve patient care and safety. As we navigate the future of healthcare, embracing these informatics strategies will be crucial in advancing our practice and ensuring that we deliver the highest standards of care. Before we end our presentation, I'd like to take a moment to share the references that have guided and supported our report. For those interested in delving deeper, we've compiled a comprehensive reference list as shown in the screen. Accessing these works will enrich your understanding and offer diverse perspectives on the topics we addressed today. Thank you all for joining us today and for taking the time to watch our presentation.